Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial. So I'm sorry if I sound like a little bit nasally. It's because I've got another cold again. Like literally, I swear, my immune system, I mustn't have one because all I keep getting lately is like the cold. So yeah, just bear with me if I'm a little bit sniffly and things like that. But today I'm starting off the tutorial with literally a bare face and no infilled eyebrows whatsoever because I'm trying the new Maybelline Tattoo Brow product. I'm really excited to try it. I know it's been out like about 3 or 4 months now, but I just literally haven't like got around to try it myself, and because I've been a little bit nervous, so yeah, if you want to see if this product is worth the hype and if it works, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, if you like seeing these like kind of tutorials where I'm doing first impressions or reviews on products, on new makeup products, then just give this tutorial a big thumbs up just so I know that you want to see more like this. But yeah, please keep watching and let's see if this product actually works. So, as I said, this is the Maybelline Tattoo Brow. So it does say it's easily peel off tint. So, God, I'm like really nervous to try this out because literally like I'm going out tonight and then tomorrow night, like me and Jake are going to the Belfry. So if my eyebrows don't literally turn out right, I'm not going out and I'm not going to the hotel. Like literally, your eyebrows frame your face. So if I look horrendous, I'm literally staying in the house until like it goes away. It does say it lasts up to 3 days, so I'm waiting until the 3 days are up. I should be fine, you know, let's stay positive. So I've got the shade medium brown. It says wake up to evenly filled brows. Our first peel off brow tints last up to 3 days. No touch-ups needed. I'm like really nervous. I did do a first impressions on the Maybelline foundation, the Superstay and other items, so if you haven't watched that, make sure you go and check it out. The link will be in the top right hand corner for you guys. This is another product I got from Maybelline as well, but I just wanted to do a separate makeup tutorial, well not a makeup tutorial, first review on this item by itself because I'm really curious and I'm sure a lot of you are curious as well. So yeah, let's take it out its packaging. Decent size. So this is what it looks like, and then it just says in the bottle again, Tattoo Brow Long Lasting Tint. So I haven't actually took out the packaging like so. Oh, it's very gloopy. Very gloopy and very thick. Oh god, I'm so scared to try it. I'm not going to swatch it on my hand because it will stain my hands. I'll be walking around with a brain strip on my hand. I just hope like with the colour of this, I hope it's not too warm. Like I know I'm brunette, but I don't want it to be like on the reddish side. Okay, I'm just like going to try it out. I don't know whether to use like the actual brush that it's come with because the brush is like very small but very like thick. I don't know if you can see, but I don't know how that works. It probably is better like to try the brush because you're going to get more product off it. Okay, what I'll do is I'll try both. I'll try the brush that's like actually on the applicator, but then if that doesn't work, I'm just going to use my normal eyebrow brush because as I said, I'm going out and I don't want to be going out with like horrendous brows. So yeah, I'm just going to zoom you in and then we'll get started. Okay, so we know all up close and personal. If you're wondering why like my eyebrows are a little bit red, it's because I have just like done them because I was getting a little bit too bushy for my liking. The duration for this is 20 minutes. It says for 20 minutes, and then if you want it to last longer, I think if you want it to last longer than 3 days, it's 2 hours. I'm not going to do 2 hours because I'm going out tonight, so I need to start getting ready soon. I'm literally just going to comb through my eyebrows. It does say that you need to have clean eyebrows, so there's literally nothing on my eyebrows because I said I've just redone them. So I'm just going to comb through them again. I'm really nervous now, like really nervous. I don't know how you're going to get the fade at the front. Like I don't want it to be really blocky. Let's go in for it. I don't know if you wipe off the excess product or no, I'm just going with it. Okay, here it goes. Oh god. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to go in with... it's not working at all. I don't like the brush. I'm going in with my eyebrow brush, which is from Revolution, and this is in the number E104. This is just a typical eyebrow brush that I absolutely love from Revolution, so it's really good. So I'm going to see if it gives me like a really sharp line. I've already like mucked it up like... It does look a bit reddish at the minute. So it's easy to wipe away, like it's really nice to, you know, doesn't stain like really quickly, which is good because that's what I was worrying about. I'm going to try and do a fade, but I don't think it's going to work. Because obviously you're going to need a lot of product to get it off, so I don't think like putting a minimal product on the front is not going to be very good. To be honest, it's like really easy to work with. I thought it'd be a lot harder because how gloopy it actually is. My eyebrows are like a very gappy at the front, so trying to fill it in, I feel like I look like really crazy, and I hope it doesn't come out this dark, and I hope it doesn't come out this blocky, because I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. I feel like I can't even do a fade, like literally. How are you meant to do a fade? Oh god. I hope it's worth it. Like literally I've spent like 5 minutes doing one eyebrow. I don't spend that long when I'm using a goddamn pencil. So I'm gonna do the other brow. I just hope I can match it up. So here it goes. I would like literally take your time, like especially if you're not that good at like filling your brows in and you do want a tint to last. Obviously we don't know if this is going to work, but I would take your time because literally this is a tint. You can't just rub it away. I'm so scared what this is going to look like. Oh god, I'm making a mess of this brow. Oh, it's a good thing that you can wipe it away like really nice and easy. Oh god. Oh no, looks like it's stained. I feel like I'm using a lot of product though. I hope these brows are like looking the same. I'm going to end up like with really dark eyebrows that don't match, and why did I choose to do this? This eyebrow has literally gone really bad. It's just like the front that I'm like really struggling to do. So I'm just going to go quickly in with the brush in case I have missed any areas. I feel like with a brush, like you should fill it in first with the eyebrow brush and then go back over it with this, because I feel like this will get areas that you've missed. I don't know if they match or not, but basically that is how it looks like. I'm so scared how this is going to turn out, so I'm probably going to leave it on for about 20-25 minutes. I'll put the timer on for 25 minutes. And I've set it for 25 minutes just because there is a lot of product on there. I can't see this being dry within 20 minutes. But yeah, I'll let it set, I'll let it dry, and then I'll meet you guys back in 25 minutes. I'm so scared. Okay, so 25 minutes is up. Well, I've probably just gone over it by like a couple of seconds because the battery's died in my ring light. So yeah, they are, well, they feel completely dry. I just hope that they're really easy to take off. I just got a funny feeling I'm going to be struggling to take them off. Okay, so it says that you need to start from the inner corner to the outer corner. It's tinted my actual skin. Oh wow. It is coming off like quite easy, to be honest. Like you have to keep pulling at it a bit. It's not coming off all in one go, but it's coming off quite easily, and it's not actually taking any hair out, which I was quite frightened of actually, to be honest, of it pulling any of my hair out. But wow, this is so good. I didn't actually expect it to be that good. It's actually like tinted my skin. Like if I can move my hair, it's tinted my skin. Forget microblading, girls, you want to get this product. This is so good. I'm just going to zoom in so you can actually see a bit closer. Okay, so as you can see, this eyebrow, like literally like it's tinted my actual skin. So I'm moving the hair and like it's tinted the skin as well as the eyebrows. It did dry in 25 minutes, so I mean there's still a bit of product like stuck in my eyebrow at the front. That's fine, like you can easily get that off. So here goes the other eyebrow. So really easy to peel off. Like really easy. Oh, this is so satisfying as well. Like I don't know about you guys, but I just love peeling things off of stuff. I'm so impressed. Like the colour is perfect. I thought it's going to be more of a ready, on the ready side, like really warm, but it's actually not. Ow, I've got a spot there. Like literally, it looks like I've just filled my eyebrows in. Like I'm literally so impressed. I'll definitely be using this product again. Like, as you can see, like it's tinted my skin. I didn't actually put a lot on, so it doesn't look like that prominent on my skin, but it has really like dyed my eyebrows as well. So yeah guys, this was me testing out the new Maybelline Tattoo Brow. Like literally, I'm so impressed with this product. Maybelline, you've outdone yourself here. So yeah, it's really good. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this tutorial a big thumbs up if you want to see more of tutorials like this, and also let me know what you want to see next on my channel in the comment section below, and what you actually thought of this product, and if you've used this product before, I want to know what your thoughts on it was. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next tutorial. I love you all so much, and yeah, bye guys.